Hello! Today we'll be learning about properties, which are arguably the most important part of any program. Properties are used to represent things to a computer. These representations are called abstractions. We often say that a given property abstracts something. For instance, we might abstract a book as the text of its title. We could abstract the weather as a number representing a temperature. And we could abstract your grade in this course as a decimal number. Of course, there are always other ways of abstracting something. For instance, a book could also be represented by its price, or your grade as a letter. It is up to the programmer to decide what abstraction works best for their situation. On the right-hand side, you see code that demonstrates one way we can declare properties in Python. Once we have our properties, we can write instructions to manipulate them. That's what computers are very good at, quickly manipulating properties over and over again. In this series of videos, we'll be looking at understanding properties before we start trying to use them. Properties have 5 different parts. Some parts of a property change over time, but some will always be the same. Some parts are for the benefit of the programmer, and some are understood by the computer. When someone asks you, "Tell me about that property," there are 5 things to tell them. Today, we'll be looking at the first 3 parts of a property: the name, the origin, and the purpose.